Hi guys, it's Siddharth here. So I was teaching you classical guitar for this week on quarantine learning. This week was not very technique heavy week, and it was more of an orientation to the classical guitar, and really just an introduction of the fundamentals that you need to play the classical guitar. So the one technique thing that we mainly did was the arpeggio. So unlike many other styles of guitar, classical guitar involves a lot of arpeggiating. Like for example, let's take a D chord. Instead of just strumming it, many times in classical guitar you just end up arpeggiating it, breaking the chord down. So let's try this with the first three strings of the guitar. So we take the thumb finger, P, that's notated with the P, play the third string. We take the index finger, with notated with an I, play the second string. Take the middle finger, notated with an M, and play the third string, and then go back to the second string with the index finger. So now we have this nice pattern going. So I want you guys to work with this pattern throughout the course of the week. It's fairly basic, but I just want you to make sure it's accurate. Don't end up hitting other strings when playing it, okay? And yeah, I want you to be able to get that up to a high speed, like. And another thing that we learned was to keep your guitar on your left leg instead of your right for better posture. We don't want to experience the long-term effects of having bad posture currently. So, and also you get a better sound when playing like this. It's more comfortable for you. Additionally, you don't have to go like this, reach over on each side when playing. So, yeah, the class this week was based on just meeting everyone, seeing what levels they were at guitar, and I think next week is we're gonna try learning a song, very simple song, but I guess we can start just working on that for now. For this week, I shared a resource booklet for all of you guys, which you guys can go through. It's really good and has most of the fundamentals that you need for classical guitar, like all the notes, and along with that, it's given which string, which fret, everything's on, and there's a couple of good exercises over there. So if you're willing to self-learn, that's an investment that I personally think is a great move for you guys, and you guys can grow as musicians when doing that. And when you're just playing the pieces from the resource booklet, I really want you to add your own flair to it and make it your own, really, because anyone can read the sheet music, but what you make of it as an individual allows you to express your ideas and thoughts, and that's really unique. And the guitar, personally for me, it acts as a medium for me to express myself. Okay, and I want you guys to do that too, and it's best to inculcate that sort of discipline at a younger age. And yeah, I hope this course can be a path for you to become a better musician overall. And yeah, so I will see you guys next week, and I hope you guys have worked on the arpeggio pattern and tried to get that up to the fastest speed that you can. And we'll be learning a simple song next week, and I hope you guys enjoy this course. Thank you.